Filipinos joined the New Year celebration in Paris with a grand fireworks display. Our Europe correspondent Dick Villanueva is on the phone for us for the details. Hi Dick, Happy New Year to you.
Yes, May. Happy New Year. The iconic 2.5-kilometer Avenue des Champs-Élysées in Paris was packed shoulder to shoulder as thousands gathered to welcome the new year with a firework display at the historic Arc de Triomphe. Authorities closed roads and direct access to the venue early in the day, while a subway station leading to the area stopped unloading passengers as part of the heightened security measures. Police strictly monitor all entry and exit points. As the countdown approached, cheers erupted each time the Christmas lights decorating more than 400 trees along Avenue changed colors. At the final 10 seconds, dazzling fireworks lit up the sky above the Arc de Triomphe, joined by the glow of raised mobile phones from the crowd. The nearly hour-long display ended without incident, leaving spectators filled with renewed hope for 2026. Filipinos in Paris also shared their New Year's wishes, calling for an end to corruption in the Philippines, better benefits for overseas Filipino workers and their families, and the fulfillment of promises for an OFW pension law. As the new year begins, many are hopeful for a fresh start as 2025 saw a year of struggle and perseverance for many Filipinos. May?
Dick, kamusta ang ating mga kababayan dyan sa Paris? Ano ang outlook nila sa pagpasok ng 2026?
Mayroon tayong mga nakausap kanina, interview kanina. Iisa lang ang ano nila, no, yung hiling nila na sana yung trabaho nila kasi karamihan kasi dito ngayon sa mga kababayan natin dito sa sa Paris is dumadami na at yung mga trabaho is medyo nakukulangan na sa sa kanila. So ang ano lang nila, yung hiling lang nila yung ma-improve nila ng maayos yung yung sitwasyon dito, lalo na yung pang-araw-araw na trabaho nila at saka yung para naman mabigyan daw nila ng magandang kinabukasan ng kanilang pamilya sa Pilipinas. Also yung mga yung mga uncertain working status dito, yung wish nila nitong 2026 na ma-regularize sila para to be able to visit their families in the Philippines, May.
Alright, maraming salamat at Happy New Year, Dick Villanueva, our Europe correspondent.